Texas real estate agents can now receive compensation and receive payments from their brokerage directly to their business entity. Thanks to a recent regulatory change by TREC, which is the Texas Real Estate Commission, real estate agents can now get paid through their LLC when they receive payments from their brokerage. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you what that means, why it is a good thing, and how you can take advantage of getting paid through your business. My name is Keisha Rondino. I am a real estate and business CPA. My goal is to educate you on business and tax strategies so you can save on taxes, keep more of the money you make, and build wealth within your business and your investments. So let's talk about why this is so significant. So in the past, real estate agents could only get paid through their LLC if they were a registered broker with TREC. But now that a real estate agent can register their business entity, whether it's an LLC or an S Corp, they're going to get some of the same benefits that brokerages have been able to get in the past. But understanding the difference between registering your entity and registering a broker is definitely important because there are two totally different types of activities that take place. So you want to be aware of what those differences are. So when you register your business entity and you get a license, you are primarily registering in order to receive compensation from your brokerage. So as a license holder, you can register your LLC or your S corporation, and you're going to primarily receive compensation that way. You can't do the exact same activities that a brokerage can do. If you register your business as a brokerage, you can register as an LLC, as an S corporation, as a C corporation, or as a partnership. And it not only allows you to receive compensation under that name, but it also allows you to advertise under that name, as well as be a party and represent a listing such as a buyer's agent or a selling agent. And you're also required to have errors and omission insurance. So that's the difference between obtaining a license through TREC as an entity and registering your business entity as a brokerage. Even if you register your business as a business entity and not as a brokerage with a license, getting paid through your LLC does give you liability and asset protection, and it is great for tax purposes. So as you pass all of your earnings through to your LLC, you create a legal separation between your personal assets as well as your real estate business. This means that in the event that you are in a lawsuit or there's some type of financial dispute, your personal assets may be shielded from potential liability. And so the biggest second benefit is that you have tax advantages. So by having an LLC, it allows you to choose how your business is taxed, and you can change your tax election to get additional benefits. So how do you do this? You're going to form an LLC. So when you form an LLC, you establish an LLC with the state of Texas, with the Texas Comptroller's Office, and the Texas Secretary of State. Once this has been completed, you're going to receive all your paperwork and all your documentation saying that you are an LLC or you're able to operate as an LLC in the state of Texas. You're also going to obtain an EIN number. So an EIN number is an employer identification number, and it is very similar to what an Social Security number is to an individual. And so an EIN number identifies what the business entity is when it comes for IRS purposes. And you usually need an EIN in order to open a bank account. So you want to make sure you do obtain that once you do establish that entity with the state. Another thing you want to do is you want to get an operating agreement. So even if it is just you that operates your LLC, you want to have an operating agreement because that is going to indicate the type of business that you operate, how you operate it, who's a part of the LLC, it provides all the information that is needed for your business. A lot of times, if you are attempting to purchase assets within your business name or you're trying to get some business credit, one item that they will ask for is your operating agreement. So you want to make sure you have that in place and that you keep it on hand so you can have it when you need it. Another thing is you want to open a business bank account. So to keep your personal and your business finances separate, you want to have two separate accounts. It is crucial to open and operate with a dedicated business account for your LLC so you can have all of your business transactions in one place. You also want to submit the application to TREC. In order for you to be able to do any of this and operate under your business name and receive that compensation, you have to have an approved application through TREC. You also want to provide a W-9 form to your brokerage. So the W-9 form is going to provide your broker with all the information needed for them to provide payment to you as an entity. It's going to include your business name, it's going to include your business EIN number, and so it's going to give them everything that they need to make sure that they are providing to you the correct information. And another thing you want to do is you want to consult with a CPA that specializes in real estate and small businesses that can help you know what you're getting into. They can provide guidance on your specific situation and your circumstances and help you navigate operating your business from a financial standpoint. They can help you understand how to proceed for tax purposes and what is going to be necessary when tax time comes, including what type of forms you need to file, what type of tax filing you need to file, when it is due, and things of that nature. So make sure that you do consult with someone of that sort because they can help you get ahead of anything that you may need to know before anything occurs. So as you can see, getting paid through your LLC opens up a world of opportunities for you, whether it's asset protection or whether it's tax advantages. It can certainly help you. It can help you keep more of the money you make as a real estate professional and help with your business operations overall. So I hope that this video has been helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you did find this helpful, don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with a lot of information when it comes to running your real estate business. So until next time, happy selling.